Currently in Knightsbridge, London. Yeah, we're outside Harrods, and yeah, hopefully I can sort of walk in and buy my Rolex, which is going to be a Rolex Submariner Date Black. And the shop doesn't open till 10 o'clock. I told the AD that I'd be there at 10. Yeah, let's just see how it goes. Actually, I think I might even bring in some ID and stuff, just so, you know, look, let's be frank. I don't leave anything to chance. So it looks like the shop's open. Let's go. I finally did it. I just left Harrods, having finalised the purchase of my Rolex Submariner. Look at that. And stay tuned, and I will have a few more videos going forward about how I actually did it, how I went about getting it. It wasn't a straightforward process, as I'm sure you all know if you are watching this channel. But yeah, no, so chuffed that I'm able to go to Harrods today and have sealed the deal. Yeah, brilliant. You know, it's been a journey. I'm not I work. Yes, I do a professional role, but you know, I'm not someone that's absolutely loaded or anything like that. So don't get it wrong. But yeah, I've done it.